So guys, this is the episode 2 of the funded account series I started last week, right? I told you I'm going to be updating you guys on all the whole process to see if I'd eventually get a payout. Yes, remember I do this twice every year, get a particular account from a prop firm and try to trade it to see if I'd eventually get a payout or not. And this time around I decided to go for something low because the last one I did, right, remember, I think I was up like 6% or thereabouts after trading for a whole month, and I still got rejected. I think $3,000 or thereabouts because I had two accounts after following all their rules. I still got rejected because I traded two of my accounts. They said it was copy trading and all. So this time around, I went for a 25K account, right, from Tranquility Traders. And I told you in my last videos, phase 1 and phase 2 have been passed. And also this time around, this week was just majorly for me to trade the account and not just trade for a whole month or trade for a long period of time to make crazy amounts. You understand, like 10% or thereabout. The main thing was just to withdraw and see if to get a payout then before we now go fully big on it, right? This week has been hectic because I had some activities and also I didn't really trade that much actively, right? I think I traded Monday and Tuesday if case not taken and thereabouts. So I just made some profit on the accounts, nothing much. I think I was up like is it 500 and something dollars. So I just placed a withdrawal to see, because the first withdrawal is on demand. Yes, yeah, the first withdrawal is on demand. So since I just made I was up like 500 and thereabout, 500 plus, let me put it that way. I just placed a withdrawal so as to see if I'd get my payout, which is on demand. You understand, not waiting for 2 weeks or a whole month. You understand, which is 80% and all. So based on the profit I made, I think the profit split should be around $460 because I told you I was just up 2+% or thereabout. I didn't just want to make crazy amounts. Yes, I just wanted to see if I'd get a withdrawal so that we would now go fully big on it. Remember the last one I made $3,000 early this year and thereabouts, and I got rejected. My payouts got rejected and all. So I placed the withdrawal on Wednesday and it was approved. Yes, I got an email. You could see the email on the screen that my payout was approved and all. And I got my payouts on Thursday morning. You understand? I was told it takes 72 hours. That's like 3 days, but mine wasn't up to 3 days. So I think the next day I got my payout. That's like 24 hours if case not taken, right? Within 24 hours and all right. So guys, like I said in my previous video, that I'm going to be doing a giveaway once I eventually get a payout, right? So I've gotten the payout now, so I'm going to be doing the giveaway. So what you need to do is now subscribe to this channel, like turn on post notification, you understand, to get notified when I'll be dropping a short video, because I'm going to be doing a short video explaining how you could participate in the giveaway. And apart from that, you need to go straight to the description box to click the link and register your account down now. Yes, go register your account. Remember I showed you that I'm going to be doing all that stuff where you could also now participate and trade live, you understand, by getting an account with them and all right. So do well to go straight to the description box and create an account now with Tranquility Traders, right, because we'll be trading live. Apart from that, I'm doing a bootcamp this December, starting on the 7th. Yes, 7th should be Sunday. That is 2 days from now at the time I'm creating this particular video, you understand, and it's going to be ending on the 3rd of January. So it's more like a lock-in phase where we get to trade live on a daily basis, and we get to do 5 classes every week, you understand, explaining my strategy and all. So you could also learn how I trade, you understand, and also if you want to join, the link is in the description box. I'm doing a discount because of this particular video. A discount ended already for early registration, but since I didn't create this YouTube video, so I'm doing it now. Do well to use the link now, because this particular discount would end in the next 24 hours because the class will be starting on the 7th. So once it starts, registration closes. So you need to join now and let's make money together. For those that are going to get an account, you understand, from the firm, you understand, and you want to copy my signal directly, so you don't need to pay for this duration of 1 month, right? So what you need to do is get an account, DM this number showing on your screen, you understand, with proof of payment and everything, and then I'll add you to the Signal group where you get to copy strictly Signal, not for the bootcamp. This one is separate. The bootcamp is just for teaching and all. So that one, if you want to pay, you could pay, right? But this one is just strictly signals, and where you get to I send my signals for a month, and also you could also pass your account eventually if we make profit and then get funded, so you could make money too, right? So guys, let me just show you a quick review of the trade I took that made me that profit that I requested for a payout and all, right? So let me go to the screen and show you that particular trade. Okay guys, so this is the trade I took on this particular account, right? Like I said, so this was the sell here, the second one here, this particular one. So I didn't really hold this long on this. I think that one TP was around this area or thereabouts. You understand? So I didn't really hold that much on that particular account, but I held on the other account that was trading and all. Okay, now let me do a quick reason why I sold from this particular place, right? If you look very well, you notice that that place on 4 hours time frame. Let's go to 4 hours. This 4 hours time frame, you notice that there is a zone here on 4 hours, right? There is a level here on 4 hours time frame. So market broke to the downside. This was where it stopped. It played around. But according to this my structure, you notice there was another sell here, a long one, a swing one. I knew that gold shouldn't stop here. We had 1, 2, 3 kind of breakouts. Remember I said coming back down, there's a high probability that it won't stop here to stop the next zone, which is this down part here, right? This level below. So that was where I was anticipating gold to stop. So since this one just stopped here and started pushing back up, I knew that we still need it to get to this particular point, right? So that's why I was still anticipating more sets again the next day on Tuesday. All right. So now, but then again, as it was coming back, we had this minor continuation pattern, but we had this 4 hours main zone. So according to that structural breakout, the next one start pumping in. We know that here is not going to hold, the next one is going to hold, right? So if you go on 1 hour time frame, sorry, if you go on 1 hour time frame, it also confirms that structure. We had this minor one candlestick breakout, which eventually tells us that this is where the entry should be. But then again, we had that breakout, and 4 hours is more bigger than 1 hour. So 4 hours tells us here. So I knew that even if it wants to respect it, there's a high chance that it might do an extension, tap this place, then melt back with a week. All right. So that was eventually what happened. It pushed to that particular level, tapped it, so immediately it got to that particular place. I just waited to see how it's reacting off that particular point. I think was it on 5 minutes or 3 minutes, because I just wanted to catch that move from that particular spot. Let's see, there was that entry. Okay, this was it here. So when market got to that particular point, it first of all hit it, melted, you understand, showing us that yes, there's something happening at that particular point. The next one opened, as it made it pushed and started melting. That's when I now had that entry for a sell. I think I didn't hold long on the other account. I just held from here to here on this account I'm reviewing, right? But the other ones, I knew that I should be seeing a drop down to this particular zone, which was a breakdown of this other trade here. You remember there's another trade here that I said it was more of a swing setup, right? So this one's just that particular breakdown, right? So that's just it on this particular video, right? If you're new to this channel, do well to hit the subscribe button, like this video, turn on post notification to get notified when I'll be dropping my next video, especially that short on how you could win an account. But don't wait till you win an account. Go now and get an account. The link is in the description box, and let me know so that I'll add it to my Signal group so we can start trading live. And if you want to join the bootcamp, right, the registration is ending on Saturday. I don't know, I might drop this video this evening, Sunday, Friday, or tomorrow, which is Saturday, right? But just know that the registration is ending on Saturday because it starts on Sunday. Okay, so now I'm going to be picking a big account now, a big account. All right, and now let's see how much you're going to be making together. And this time I'm carrying everybody along. Remember, the Signal group and the bootcamp, especially the bootcamp, right? So see you guys.